Wardrobe boredom is something we all have to deal with at some point. I have my own tried and tested method that helps me stay curious and engaged with the wardrobe I have. I'm pretty sure that you also have some of your own methods. So today's video will show you what to do when you are bored with your current style options. So you wake up in the morning and you open your closet. The same old boring mess, right? Better go with that safe option that made you feel secure the last time. But what are people going to think if you wear the same thing? Should you take a risk and wear something else? Or maybe it's time to buy something new, just in case. These are all thoughts that go through our heads whenever we are in front of our wardrobes. I had these thoughts as well, and I can tell you that all of my clients had them in one form or another. At some point I thought maybe the issue is with our age. Maybe the older we get, the more secure we feel, the more we enjoy the clothes in our wardrobe. But I have clients from different social backgrounds, different countries, and of course different ages. And trust me when I tell you that we all have faced the same problem. Wardrobe boredom is widespread. How did we get here? We could implement many tricks to delay a new purchase, but until we realize what's going on emotionally, what we are actually trying to cover up with some shopping, we will keep thinking about what to buy next to make ourselves happier. Unfortunately, that little dopamine you get from a new purchase will not last long enough, and you will be back to square one sooner than you think. There is a lot of advice out there on how to deal with wardrobe boredom, and I will tell you in a bit why I don't subscribe to any of them. You might have even tried some of them and figure out by yourself why they don't work. One of the most common advice is to check Instagram or Pinterest for new style ideas. See what other women are wearing and try to copy that. Or another solution might be thrifting. It's not that expensive after all, and there is no guilt involved if whatever you buy gets worn just a few times or it doesn't even fit with what you already have in your closet. New shoes seem to be another popular solution. Shoes can scale up your outfit and make it feel like new for a while. Another very popular solution has nothing to do with clothes, it's new makeup. Experimenting with different lipstick shades or a completely new look is another easy way out of the boredom rut you find yourself in. If makeup is not your thing, you could maybe go for new accessories. Cheap jewelry can be found everywhere nowadays, and if you get the right color and style, your outfits will have that new pop again. Unfortunately, I have to tell you that none of this will work. And now, with some of this badly placed style advice, your closet will look even more confusing. I gave this widespread problem a lot of my time, and I've researched it properly so you don't have to. And this is what I found out. It comes down to one important question. Why is what we have never good enough? The fashion industry is full of smart people that make a lot of money convincing you and me that we need new clothes all the time. Globally, 73% of women update at least 25% of their wardrobe every 3 months. This artificially created need to be on trend or to keep shopping can be correctly identified if you ask yourself a few simple questions. Does shopping fit the fantasy you have about yourself? About how life is going to change once you buy that new tempting item? If you answered yes, here's what you can do about it. Try to recognize and appreciate who you are, what you have already achieved, what you have right now in real life. Practice gratitude. This will create a sense of well-being, and it will make you less likely to subconsciously try to fill an emotional hole with more stuff. Are you bored or lonely and shopping will entertain you? If you answered yes to this one, there are a few things I would like you to try. Think about what will help you more, a one-click purchase of a new dress, or a frank, funny and down-to-earth chat with your best friend or relative. Think about it. Calling a friend is also just one click away. Are you anxious and feel like you don't have much control over your life right now? If you find yourself in this situation, what will work is to save your money for something that will fill yourself up in ways that don't require you to buy new things. Scientific studies have shown that experiences make us much happier than things. So whenever you feel anxious, go for a walk, try a new recipe, read a new book, take an online course, plan a vacation or a nice picnic with someone you love. You might have said yes to one, two, or all three of these questions, and that's okay. Know that we all have dealt with these issues before and everything will be fine. You can't avoid shopping forever, but there is mindful shopping and then there is mindless shopping. When you shop mindfully, it means that you need something in particular and you precisely know how it will improve your life. For example, Wardrobe students, they learn this useful skill early on by having a fully interchangeable wardrobe. When something breaks or needs to be replaced, they will only buy something new if it fits with everything else in their wardrobe, giving them more outfit options. Mindless shopping, on the other hand, is when you want to buy something that is based on a fantasy that you created for yourself, or even worse, that someone in a marketing department created for you. To simplify things even more, it's about intention. And here are my 7 tested and proven methods that will help you approach your wardrobe with intention and get rid of wardrobe boredom. Use your senses. Touch what you have to restore your sense of abundance and remind yourself you don't need anything new. Use your eyes. Tidy up and organize your wardrobe. No one wants to wear wrinkled, dusty or smelly clothes. Make your clothes look good and they will be more inviting to wear. Stop browsing shops for no reason. Always have a wardrobe plan at hand. A visual guide can be even more striking. You will know exactly what you have, how many times you wore it, how much money you spend on it, what else is missing, what fabrics and colors you like and what to choose next. The Wonder Wardrobe course can actually teach you how to do this successfully. Be aware of the familiarity effect. It's when you keep seeing the same item or style over and over again on social media. It doesn't mean you need it or want it. It just means the algorithm is tracking you and showing you what it wants you to buy. Invest in quality. One great sweater, for example, can cost as much as 3 trendy, flashy items. You will wear the sweater more often and it will have a greater impact on how you look and feel. Actually, people notice quality quite often, and you will get complimented on your stylistic choices as well. Find new ways of wearing what you have. Identify the colors that make you look stunning first, and then create new color combos for your outfits. If you need help identifying your personal color type, I would suggest taking the Color Harmony class from Wardrobe. Knowing your colors will allow you to play more with colors, clothes, accessories and makeup in a way that will enhance your natural beauty. Creating new outfits can be a fun pastime that will engage all your senses and prove to you that you have enough exciting clothes in your wardrobe. Another way can be exchanging clothes with your friend. This is pretty self-explanatory. What I want you to think about when you do this is not as getting rid of something you hate, but gifting your good friend something they can treasure. Talk to them first and see if they can send you some pictures you can browse. Then be open and let go of things. You will be surprised how exciting this experience can be for both of you. And you know, generosity is a guaranteed mood booster. Create a gratitude journal. Here you can just use your notes app on your phone, or if you prefer a paper, you can just use some of your notebooks or something. So the most important part is to keep at it for at least 1 month, I would say. After a while, you will start being grateful for things without having to identify them or even write them down. But first, you have to start by writing them down somewhere. So there are a lot of things you can do to deal with wardrobe boredom. Shopping more is not one of them. It can be, of course, when done right and mindfully, but before you even get to this step, I would suggest watching this video again, asking some questions and applying some of these methods. The Wonder Wardrobe course is based on them and much more. I've designed this course with the intention to help women deal with much more than just wardrobe boredom. It will help you deal with style issues, color questions, wardrobe size, perfect fitting clothes, and even personal and professional goals. Myself and the students that have taken the course have created a safe space where we share our fears, problems, and solutions. We do everything with generosity. The more we are, the better we are. So join us whenever you feel need to. We'll be there for you. I hope this video made you think about some of your own wardrobe issues and hopefully offered some solutions. How do you deal with wardrobe boredom? Let me know in the comments so we can learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to press like, share this video with your friend and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.